Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix screen not responding to touches on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up and enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update and click on backup and reset phone and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so software update. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update. You will see first option is software update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen not responding to touches on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.